How to install K&N filters on a AMG GT. Now this is the M178 engine and we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, the first thing you're going to do is remove this cover right here. Gently pry up and it comes right off. I have a T25 Torx adapter and we're going to go ahead and loosen up these captive bolts. But be careful though, because they could actually fall in here and it's really hard to get. Now these are captive, but just be careful though, because they can pop off. Using a 7mm socket, we're going to go ahead and loosen this clamp right here. And there's a line right here, so if you need a reference. And now we're going to slowly pry this up, and we're going to go ahead and pull out the air filter. And we're now going to vacuum inside there. Look at all that dust inside there. And it's all clean and ready for a new air filter. All right, it can only go one way, and we're going to go ahead and push it down into the air box. And it just slides in there just like that. Okay, so when you put the new air filter in, move these captive screws up so you could actually fit the top lid down. And everything should fit pretty well. And then that's when you could start to align your screws, especially the back one. The back one's a pain. And go ahead and tighten your clamp down. All right, same thing with the left side. Here's a good example. This one came off. Luckily it didn't go inside the engine bay, but just be careful. Go ahead and loosen up your clamp. I'm going to go ahead and reach in. This one's a little tighter. And look how much debris is in there. OMG, it's so dirty. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to vacuum and clean this. And it's all clean and it's ready for the new air filter. Watch out for this corner over here. This corner could go inside and then it's not going to fit right. And that's it. Once we get them aligned, we're going to go ahead and do what we did with the other side. Go ahead and put the screws in. Go ahead and tighten down the clamp and you're done.